Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Two of the most commonly used websites which I use very commonly on my channel are Hugging Face and Ollama. Hugging Face is a hub which you can use to find a lot of models, spaces, papers, datasets and few other things online, mostly for free. And Ollama is one of my go-to tool to run large language models locally in a quantized format. Ollama is a llama.cpp tool which I already have covered a lot on the channel along with Hugging Face. It's been some time that we were able to run large language models locally with the help of Ollama directly from Hugging Face with a single command, as you can see on your screen, by just running Ollama run and then the hf.co plus your Hugging Face username and repo name. Just today, Hugging Face has added a new feature where you can also run your private repos locally with the help of Ollama. That really opens up a new avenue for your private models, whether they are associated with your private account or with your organizations. I know for a fact that a lot of organizations, they have their private repo where they host a lot of their models which are either fine-tuned or GGUF format or others which only the people working in that organization can use because it's private. So with the help of Ollama, now you can easily use those models locally with a single command, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. First up, we are going to create a private repo, and then I will show you how you can use Ollama to run those models locally from your private repo. This is Ollama's website. As I said earlier, if you don't know what Ollama is, please go to my channel and maybe just search with Ollama space Hugging Face, and you should be able to find heaps of videos where I have covered both in great details. And trust me, when Ollama and Hugging Face meet, great things happen. Anyway, let me take you to my Hugging Face page. You can also create for free. All you need to do is to just go to huggingface.co and then sign up with your free email address and then log in. Once you log in, on the top right, just click on these three horizontal lines, go to settings, and then from here all you need to do is to just scroll to the left, scroll down to the left and then click on SSH and JPG keys, and this is where you need to enter your SSH key. I already have it, but I'm going to just delete it and I will do it again. Now if you don't know what SSH key is, that is the secret sauce which makes it happening that we can integrate our local system or local Ollama with Hugging Face website. SSH key is a way to securely connect to a server or computer without using a password. It is like a digital fingerprint that identifies you and allows access. SSH keys are primarily a public-private key pair. The public key can be shared with anyone, any server, any other person or whatever. It is used to encrypt data, whereas private key should be kept secret and secure. I will also show you shortly where I have those public key and private key. Let me actually take you to my terminal and show you. This is my Ubuntu system where I am running everything, and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM, courtesy Massed Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I am also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. I already have Ollama installed, so I'm not going to do it again. It's very simple to install, by the way. Either you can search my channel or just go to Ollama, click on download, and then just run this command to get it installed on Linux. For Windows, just download this exe file and run it. Okay, so let's go back here. I already have Ollama running. Whenever you install Ollama in your home directory, it creates a hidden directory called as .ollama. If I show you the contents here, you will see that there are two files here. Both start with ID. These are your public and private key. Pub is for public, so the top one is a public key and this is a private key. Now what you need to do, you need to get the content of this file and then paste it in your Hugging Face account. That is how we establish a passwordless connection or SSH connection between Ollama locally hosted and remote Hugging Face server. Now there are two ways you can get the content of this file. This command, I'm just using catting it, or if you are using Linux, you can also use pbcopy in order to grab or copy the content from your standard input or standard output to your clipboard. Anyway, so I have just catted it. From here, just all you need to do is to copy the content of this public key. Let me copy it, go back to your Hugging Face profile and add SSH key. Just give it any name, maybe I'll just call it pub key. And then in the bottom section, SSH public key, just paste it here. Make sure there is no space and no new line character, and then click on add key, and we have added our key. Now let's go back here, and let me go back to my profile. This is my profile, or I could go from here. I could go to my spaces, model and everything. Now let me create a new space or new model, which I will call as a private model, and then or a private repo. And for that, let's click again on these three horizontal lines, click on new model, and then maybe I'll just call it private model. License, I'm just going to give it Apache. And from here, I'm just going to select private and then click create model. So this private model is only now visible to me and anyone as part of my organization. As this is just a git repo, you can simply use git command to clone this repo and then add your model file and then commit or push to origin, or you could just simply use this web interface to upload files. So I'm just going to upload a file from my local system. It is just a model file, the small LM model from Hugging Face. It is done. Let's commit changes to the main branch of this repo, and that is all done. Now our private repo is ready, our SSH connection is established. Now all we need to do is to grab this, go back to our terminal. Let me clear the screen. If I do Ollama list, you will see that I don't have any model at the moment, which is small LM, which we have just put it in our private repo. So in order to now use it, all you need to do is to do Ollama run hf.go/ and then whatever your repo name was, and then it is going to download on your local system. And now this time it shouldn't ask me any password, any username. There you go, it is pulling the model without any password. So that is how this passwordless stuff works. And if you go back to your Ollama console, you will also see that the new model should be there from our private repo. There you go. How good is that? So this is how you can use any private repo, any private model hosted on Hugging Face from your organization or your private account by using Ollama. That's it. I hope that it was useful. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.